Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lego Astral Spriggan. First, ensure you have a clean, organized space to work. We will begin by identifying the essential Lego elements needed for this exciting project. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. Get ready to transform your Lego bricks into an impressive Beyblade replica, focusing on precision and detail throughout the build. Now, let's focus on building the core structure of your Astral Spriggan. This foundational step involves creating the central energy layer, which is crucial for stability. Utilize Technic pins and axles to establish a robust framework, ensuring every connection is secure. A strong core is vital for the Beyblade's integrity and performance, so take your time to build it precisely. This forms the heart of your creation. Next, we will move on to attaching the distinctive blade components and integrating the performance tip. Carefully connect the blade pieces to your core, ensuring they are evenly spaced for balanced rotation. Then, secure the driver, which allows your Astral Spriggan to spin effectively. Precision in this step is key to achieving the authentic look and functionality of the Beyblade. This brings your model closer to completion. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and explore customization options for your Lego Astral Spriggan. Apply any remaining decorative pieces and color accents to truly bring your model to life. Double-check all connections to ensure maximum durability during play. Feel free to experiment with different brick combinations to personalize your creation, making it uniquely yours. Your impressive Lego Astral Spriggan is now complete and ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.